Well, I'm in a 2013 Chevy Impala, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you're going to want to start your vehicle, and then wait a moment for everything to boot. And for this model, we're going to use our voice controls to connect. So we'll be walking through voice prompts here in just a moment. And then it may say audio muted, so you might need to use your volume controls. Okay, so now that it's started, pair.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So make sure Bluetooth's on. And then also if you push and hold, it'll pull up your pairing menu.
Select your vehicle on your phone and then enter the code 4369. Again, the code is 4369.
Alright, so there's your vehicle. And then I believe it said 4369. So we're going to type that in. It might be different for you.
Please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
Clay's phone.
About to store.
Clay's phone.
Does that sound okay?
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready?
And that's it. So you can get out of this menu from this button here. But now you should be able to take phone calls, things like that. You might be able to listen to music. I don't think that's the case in this one. I think it's just phone calls, but you can check through your source button. And then in some models too, you can also check on your aux button and just keep clicking to that till you get to something that might say Bluetooth. I think this one just takes phone calls though. But like I said, for your model, just double check on your aux buttons and your source buttons to see if a Bluetooth pops up. And then as you get to newer models, you should be able to listen to the music, and then sometimes you can sync up maps and different controls like that as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.